Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own stickers in Canva AI and sell them on Etsy to make some extra side income. Now, as you can see, these are some of the example on Etsy where others are selling their stickers. Now, to create your own one, let's take for example these goose stickers, which is very creative. Now, if I want to recreate something like this, what I can do is I'm going to copy this title, hop onto Canva, and if you haven't already signed up to Canva, click Canva AI. Here, you're going to paste your title that you found on Etsy. For example, this goose sticker. So I'm going to edit the prompt and ask Canva to create me a goose stickers, summer stickers, for summer stickers. Now, what I'm doing here is just make it into a sentence that is understandable enough for us human and AI itself. Now, if some of the irrelevant sentence, you can just remove it, like laptop stickers, waterproof stickers. Here I can put a full stop and start a second sentence, silly goose style, period. Now what you can also do is click the option create an image here. Now if you have a reference, you can click add media. So what you want to do is go back to your Canva and find an example. What I would like to do is I can screenshot, and as you can see, I've added my screenshot here, and you can hit enter and Canva will create an image. But in this case, you need Canva Pro for this. So this is just a tip. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, it's okay. It's totally okay. You can just go with this. Create me a goose sticker for summer stickers with sticker aesthetics, a goose style, totally your custom prompt. Click submit. And as you can see, Canva has created me several examples. Now, 3 of these options here, obviously I cannot use them, but the first one seems to be good enough to me. What I can do is hit download, and there you go. Now, what you want to do now is go to Printify. And in the previous video, I've shown you how you can sign up and set up your very own store. But this time we will have to create a new one by clicking on to my new store, add a new store, select Etsy, and make sure you want to grant access. Now publish products. Now this is your new store. You can create order, select manual, add product to order. You can browse your catalog. As you can see, there's an option for magnets and stickers. Click on that. And here you can see many different kinds of stickers. You have kiss cut stickers, bumper stickers, die cut magnet. Now what I want you to do is scroll down all the way until you can see sticker sheet bundle. Now there are 2 options. One is 5 pieces and the other is 10 pieces. I'm going to use 10 pieces for example. Now with this, you can see some of the examples here. Now you can choose a provider and start to design it. In this case, there's only one provider, which is from the US. I'm gonna hit start designing. Now here you can upload your stickers, but first, this is a very important step. I want you to open the image that you have saved. As you can see, there's an edit option. Click on to edit. Now you can crop your stickers. You will want to do this for each and every one of those stickers. You want to crop them like this. Now there's an option to remove background. Click remove background. Now as you can see, success. We have found the background of your image and selected it for you. Now what you want to do is click remove, and there you go. Your background has been removed. Now you have a PNG image. Now before I save option, head over to color and increase the sharpness of it. Therefore it looks clean and not blurry. Now I can save option. Now you must click on save as copy. Therefore the sticker can be a PNG. There you go. Now you can upload your image right here. Click on upload my device. Open your image, and there you go. Now you can do this for every product. You can select variants. You have different sizes that you can choose from. Now you can also preview your sticker. So this is one example. The front will look like this. Context 1, context 2, and context 3. Awesome. You can repeat this process and add on your extra stickers if you would like. And you can place all your stickers in one piece of paper, just like that. Obviously, these are supposed to be different stickers. This is just for example's sake. So you can save product. And there you go. Nice work. Time to add it to your store. Now you can hit start publishing, click start, or you can order a sample by yourself. You can also choose for mockups, which is step 1, click continue. This is totally up to you and optional. I'm gonna save selection. You can add on description. I'm gonna continue to do this as quick as I can. Confirm. AI actually did this, that is pretty cool. Finally, I'm gonna hit continue. And now for the pricing, I'm going to select the 6 by 4 inch sticker size. Price would be, wow, $80 for retail price. Well, you can totally change that if you would like to, let's say $9, and then you have to edit all your profits and your margins and everything. So make sure your profit margin is at least, I would say 20%. Then you would profit like $11. Or you can put your own personal pricing, it's totally up to you. Now you can go for 10 to 20, like I said again. So last but not least, once you're done, ready to go, click publish, and there you go. As you can see, My listing is here and my sticker is here. And that is how you can create your own customized sticker on Canva AI and sell them on Etsy using Printify, which is a print-on-demand service where you don't have to keep the stock. Printify will print your design, package, and ship them to your customers without you having to keep them at your home.